feel. Located near Israel. The rest of my platoon is trapped.
Yeah.
Yo, what up? This is Crooked, Wobbly Man Records.
Wobbly Man.
Wobbly Man. Styles from Wobbly Man Records.
We up in here with KOD.
KOD.
You already know Wobbly Man Records.
We inducted KOD last month.
That was last
Or
month.
2 months ago. Shit, I don't even know.
That was 2 months.
I'm
going off what he said.
I'm a starter.
We want to reiterate the boy Simon Phoenix is
What up,
definitely
Simon
Wobbly
Phoenix?
Man for life.
Wobbly
So
Man.
this is for real talk right here. What we're doing here tonight is letting everybody know that we're building an army as far as MCs go, and we're expanding. So we want to go ahead and let everybody know that we're letting the homie, we're doing the damn thing with the homie. Diverse. Representing out the south side, and the homie Redemption. Louis Wobbly Dance Soldiers, Wobbly Fam for life. You know how we do. This is 520, and be expecting mad collabos soon from all the crew. Shit's gonna be bonkers.
So we got
bananas.
We got the newest members. We got KOD, and then we got Diverse, Redemption, Simon Phoenix,
CCS
keeps on
crew.
Going, CCS crew,
Video.
and
Yo, it's over. We gon' get him.
Yo,
Get him. Dig in the ball.
Yo, Diverse, you want to say anything?
So,
man, just be expecting a lot of new music. We're gonna be hitting them hard. Got a new mixtape coming out very, very soon. It's actually in my back pocket now. You know what I'm saying? That's how soon it's gonna be hitting the streets.
Yeah.
And fuck Diverse, the project coming out.
Fuck Diverse. Redemption, you want to say anything?
I've been riding with CCS for a long time, just supporting their music, and I'm glad to be part of the movement. So,
Hell yeah, that's what's up, man.
Yeah.
That's right, man. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hip hop for life.
Wobbly Man Records.
Wobbly Man, KOD, Diverse, Redemption, Simon Phoenix, CCS.
Doing the damn thing.
Once a kill, no stress.
Shouts out to Jersey. Couldn't be here, man.
Except for Brown Weed Dave over here, you know. Check it out. For all y'all that think this promotional video shit is whack, marketing is key. Remember that.